So today is November 14th, and today
your boyfriend's back, the one you always talk
ang epic ko.
about. That you're not
Confident pa ako kanina na ayun. Ito yung namo.
anymore.
Yan.
You've grown to
Namo din.
without
Yung picture siya pero
Maybe I'm the one
matatagal
that's
siya so
broken.
istorbo ko yung picture.
writing stories I don't know yet. Cause I've never
Alam niyo,
been used to
may
something
sopas
right.
dito.
I didn't know it
Birthday.
was supposed to be easy. Guess I was taught if it was good it would leave me.
Hindi ko nang
I
makita.
always thought if it's hard then it's worth
sakit pa
the
din ng
fight. And we fight
pangako.
and we fight and we
Hey,
fight.
Edward.
I didn't know that it could be any different.
Hello, good morning. So today is November 14 and today is my mag-aalas 9 na po. Nagsiyang mga before 7 a.m. So, wala, nagmumuni lang ako, nakatulala lang ako for an hour. Then, ayun lang. Nabagal kasi ako kumilos na pag mag-isa ako. Take your time talaga na malala. So, plano ko lang naman today ay, since it's my birthday, punta ko ng Myeongdong Cathedral, which is malapit lang naman dito sa hotel. Hopefully bukas na siya and hopefully pwedeng pumasok. Oh! Ano naman yun Kapag hindi. So ito na. Ito yung Myeongdong Cathedral. So hindi ito yung main entrance dito sa other side. Pero dito na ako dadaan. Pero parang ayoko. Ang taas ng hagdan eh.
If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back,
Uy, ang ganda niya.
grind my teeth for a paycheck. It's all
Nakita ko na to kahapon eh. Pero hindi ko pinuntahan kasi nga I'm saving it for today.
I didn't think I'd ever get this lonely. All these holes in my chest from the war inside. Baited by the hook and now I'm terrified to look at my story through somebody else's eyes. There's a four-way stop on a one-way road. And that's what's
Ang epic ko. Confident pa ako kanina na ayun. Hindi pala. Ay, tama. So, nagtatanong kayo kung anong church yun. Siya ay... Okay. Yongnak Church. So, hindi siya yung Myeongdong Cathedral. Pero don't worry. Oo nga, doon pa pala sa pagtawid. Sorry na. Doon. Diyan, yung malapit sa Namo. Alam mo, kailangan ko bumili ng shoes. Parang nagpapaltos tong kaliwang pa ako. Lagi ko naman suot. Hindi naman bago tong sapatos ko. Like, nakailang gamit na ako nito. Saya. Ayun, nakita niya na yun. So, ayun yung cathedral. Promise. Oo. Sure na ako. Final answer. So, ito na. Ito yung Namu. Yan. Namu din. So, ito na yung Myeongdong Cathedral. Sure na ako. Yan. May nakalagay pa nga. Myeongdong Cathedral. So, may way pa doon. But we're taking this way. Myeongdong Shopping Street na pala yun pag diniretso na. So pets are not allowed on the grounds. Ito, Sosomon Pilgrimage Route. So from Myeongdong to Yakyon. So si Myeongdong Cathedral is the central church of the Archdiocese of Seoul and is the first Korean Catholic parish church. 1883 pa pala siya. Picture siya pero matatagalan pa siya, so istorbohin ko na yung picture niya. Nice. Kita niyo ba? Ganda. Alam mo, gusto ko yung mga red brick na architecture. Eh, sarado. Eh, paano ako makakapagdasal? Kailangan, silipin natin to. Map. I wonder if I can go inside. Oh yeah, mukha naman. Kaso, nakakorean. So, I don't, baka mamaya pag pumasok ako, so, punta kayo dito. Especially if you're in Myeongdong. So, wag puro kain, wag puro shopping. Dasal-dasal din. Alam niyo, may sopas dito. Parang gusto ko tuloy ng sopas. Ang bango? Saan kaya yun? Ayun. Ayun na, basta pagpunta kayo dito sa Myeongdong ha, dumaan kayo ng cathedral. Lapit lang siya. Meron pa pala ditong area, so this place for the players. Dito. So blue for I don't know. Dahil birthday ko blue, I don't know. So how?
그냥 불빛 찍을 때
So, ang ginawa niya is kumuha siya ng wig eh. Kahit birthday ko, hindi ko ito ibablow. So, eto na lang. Happy birthday to me. So, yan. Nakatawa na salt bread. Kasi sold out. Hindi mo. Nasa ang dami mo. Hindi pala sold out. Pero nakalagay sold out. Pero 10 pa pala yung bukas. Eh magte-10 pa lang. Like in 2 minutes. Bila tayo. 10,000 yata. Minimum of 3. Hello, set 3. Set yung South Dog. Sarap. So, dito yung Pop Mart. Pumili ka sa Pop Mart. So, kaya makakain. Hirap kasi pag mag-isa kang kumain. Hirap magarap lang isa kang lang. Ganda oh. Hip. Okay. Not bad. Let me try the other one. Mag-rifle ba tayo? So, ito naman. That one or the... Any? Okay. Bigat na ito ah. Hindi ko na makita. So for dinner, birthday dinner, okay na to. Kasi parang, anyway, so itong Caesar chicken salad, healthy yan. And then, original shrimp. Kasi nga diba, ang sakit pa din ng pangako. Dahil dun sa beef ka hapon. So, okay na to. Light lang muna tayo. Promise yung, ano tawag doon? Sa gilagid. Ano tawag doon sa ngipin sa likod? Gilagid. Hala? Hindi ko maisip. Isikat. Dressing. So sa atin sa Pilipinas, may no brand din. Pero grocery siya. Sobrang hungry at night. Alam mo ba? 6:13 pa lang. Ayun o. I don't know if you can see it. 6:13 PM pa lang. Pero feeling ko alas 8 na. Uy, Android. Not 2,000 din dito.